How to get a business loan for your bike shop. Bicycle shops juggle inventory, repair tools, parts, and seasonal fluctuations. When new models launch or repair demand spikes, quick access to cash or capital can keep business rolling smoothly. We are independent brokers, not part of David Allen Capital, but we partner with them because their funding system is fast, flexible, and made for small business owners. DAC's lender network often delivers same-day approvals and funding within just 24 to 48 hours, perfect for when you need to stock up or expand services fast. And with their $500 meet or beat guarantee, you know you're getting the best deal available on the market, or DAC pays you $500. If your shop has been operating for at least 6 months with steady revenue and solid bank statements, you could qualify, even with just average credit. Click on the link in the description below to apply today and keep your shop's momentum strong. Best of luck!